If you want to make your Prezi presentation cleaner, more interactive, and easier for your audience to navigate, then learning how to add a hyperlink in Prezi is a great skill to have. Instead of placing a long web address directly on your canvas, you can hide that link behind words, images, shapes, or graphics, which keeps your design looking professional and polished. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can add links quickly and confidently. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open your Prezi presentation and go to the slide or frame where you want to add your link. Prezi lets you attach a hyperlink to different elements on the canvas, so you can choose the option that makes the most sense for your layout. You can use a text box, an image, a shape, or even a graphic as your clickable anchor. If you want to link text, click once to select the specific text box. Then highlight the exact word or phrase you want your audience to click. This is the part that will become your hyperlink, so make sure it is clear and easy to understand. Next, look at the property toolbar at the top of your Prezi editor. Find the insert link icon, which usually looks like a chain link. This is the tool you need to turn your selected text or object into a clickable link. Once you click the insert link icon, a blank field will appear where you can paste your destination URL. Enter the full web address exactly as you want it to open. For example, if you are linking to a website, resource page, form, or video, paste the complete link so Prezi knows where to send your viewers. After that, click Apply or simply press Enter to confirm the hyperlink. If you are using text, Prezi will usually add a visible underline to show that the text is active and linked. That underline is a helpful sign that the hyperlink has been added successfully. If you linked an image, shape, or graphic instead, you can test it by previewing your presentation and clicking the object to make sure it opens the correct page. This is a very important step because it helps you confirm that everything works before you present. If the link does not open correctly, go back, check the URL, and make sure there are no missing characters or extra spaces. A small mistake in the web address can prevent the hyperlink from working properly. Once your link is in place, you can continue building your Prezi presentation and add more hyperlinks anywhere else you need them. This is especially useful if you want to direct people to your website, a product page, a sign-up form, a PDF, or any other online resource. Hyperlinks are a simple way to make your presentation more useful and more engaging. So to quickly recap, select the text, image, shape, or graphic you want to use, highlight the text if needed, click the insert link icon, paste your URL, and then click Apply or press Enter. That's all it takes to add a hyperlink in Prezi. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.